Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Opel Meriva, 2003 to 2010? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and keep your car's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2003 to 2010 Opel Meriva protects interior electrical systems such as power windows, audio, and climate control, ensuring stable power distribution and reliable cabin operation. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2003 to 2010 Opel Meriva safeguards essential engine and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and cooling, ensuring efficient power flow and dependable vehicle performance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.